It's a new year and it's time to review the best budget laptops for data science in 2023. I'm Samanvir, a data scientist living in Sydney, Australia. Hopefully by now you've checked out my other best laptops for data science videos from 2022. But if you haven't, then I'll leave them in the description below. I'd highly recommend them because in a few of those videos, I share a lot of tips about how to go about picking the best laptop for data science. So in summary, the key is to pick a laptop with a decent amount of RAM and a good enough processor, ideally quad-core. So for this review, most of the laptops are going to be around the $1,000 range. And as always, I'll also include prices in Australian dollars and Indian rupees, because I know a lot of you are watching from India. The first laptop on the list is the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15. This laptop features a powerful Ryzen 7 octa-core processor. And in addition to this, it has a beautiful OLED display, which will give you stunning visuals and deep blacks. The build quality looks solid and the keyboard seems quite amazing to type on. I'd say given its specs, it is the perfect laptop for any data scientist. And the Ryzen 7 processor is a pretty powerful one. And at $800 USD, what you get for that money is a lot. And it's important to mention that this laptop also comes with an NVIDIA graphics card. It is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q. This is great for smooth video plays, some gaming sessions, and for your data science needs. Next laptop on the list is the Dell Inspiron 13. And right off the bat, you'll notice that this laptop is sleek in design, whilst also being very thin, making it the ultimate portable data science laptops, which is great for data science students taking it to class and for data science professionals always on the move. With its i5 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a killer battery life, this is a great data science laptop. The 13-inch screen is bright and clear, making it great to type code on. This laptop also featured in last year's review. And why shouldn't it? Given all of its specs and price range coming in at around $1,000 US, it is a great data science laptop. If you're enjoying the video so far, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. I make weekly videos about demystifying data science. The third laptop on the list is the HP Inspiron X360 Convertible. Now that almost sounds like a fancy car. So from the name, you might have guessed that this is a two-in-one laptop. The HP website says that this laptop can function in 3 modes: the tent mode, the stand mode, and the tablet mode. I think this two-in-one mode makes it the perfect laptop for any data science students who can use the tablet mode for note-taking and the laptop mode obviously for all their coding purposes. I think given its specs of the i5 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a great 12 hours of battery, this is the perfect laptop for any data science practitioner. Now I have to mention that this is the most expensive laptop on the list at $1,100 US. Now let's move on to budget gaming laptops. Now what would the list be if it didn't include any gaming laptops? So first up is the ASUS ROG Strix G15. This laptop is built for gamers, featuring a powerful i7 processor along with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 3050 Ti. And from the initial looks, it looks like a spaceship to me. And for those of you that know me, I love anything related to space. The design of the laptop itself is quite bold and aggressive, featuring a lot of RGB lighting in case you get lost traveling in space. So if that's your style, then this laptop is for you. Now I should also mention that it also has pretty good cooling systems, which will keep your laptop running smoothly through the tough model training session as well as gaming sessions. This laptop comes in at around $1,000 US, making it one of the best value for money gaming laptops. Last but not least, we have the Dell G15 Ryzen 5 hexa-core laptop. This is a great mid-range laptop that offers a great balance between performance and value. And I personally love how it looks. It's a gaming laptop that looks super professional. In terms of specs, it comes with 6-core, 16GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 3050 graphics card, making it a great laptop for data science. This laptop is also $1,000 US, making it another great value for money gaming laptop. In conclusion, all of these laptops have their own unique feature. So pick one that suits your operating style. Get one of these laptops and get cracking with doing data science. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, then smash that like button and I'll see you next time.